up, YouTube? Are you looking for a way to cash in on Google Ads? Now, before you say no, remember, Google Ads are a bargain right now. If you're interested, stay with me. I got something super special for you in my review of Google Smart Ads Mastery. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull this successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online. You should make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously, every time? He does it every time. It's so annoying. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I've been watching Liz Lemon, on 30 Rock since we have been in lockdown, and I love this. She's great. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like the video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, welcome. This is the sales page for Google Ads, Google Smart Ads Mastery. Quite a mouthful of a name there.
Feeling a little tongue-tied?
No, I'm not tongue-tied at all. Thank you very much. Anyway, but seriously, so this is Google Smart Ads Mastery. Now, I know a lot of people say, oh, Google Ads, I don't want to get into Google Ads. I don't want to spend money on advertising. You know what? Advertising on Google right now is a bargain because of what's going on in the world with everybody being on lockdown and stuff. A lot of advertisers have stopped advertising, so prices of Google Ads have dropped tremendously at the exact moment that everybody's on Google looking for stuff. They're looking for information, looking for stuff to do because everybody's bored, everybody's at home. This is the perfect time to grab this stuff. Okay, so let me show you. This is the sales page for you can see they say that they're getting 75% conversions for Google Ads, and really they're making a lot of money. But I want to show you here, by the way. Let me scroll down to the bottom. Okay, because I want to show you this price. This is insane. This is insane. Okay, seriously. See if the price is here. Okay, $7.70. Okay, now just the course alone, that would be worth it to buy the course alone for $7.70. And it is going up every time somebody buys. I believe it started at $7, so $7.70 right now. Still a great bargain. All right, but here's the thing to really realize: you don't just get the course. You actually get what's called PLR, which basically means that you have the right to rebrand this course, put your own name on it, and say that it's your own. They even give you, I'm going to show you the members area right here. Okay, they're going to give you everything in this course. Okay, you're not just getting the actual PDF course, which is alone worth something. Okay, over here in the Premier Training Guide, that's the actual course. All right, but they also have sales page. They have a video that you can use to sell it. Okay, they have graphics, they have banners, they have everything you need in order to sell this thing. You can sell for whatever price you want. Now, I'm also going to give you a ridiculous bonus. First of all, I'm going to give you 5 additional courses that you can sell as your own. Plus, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of other stuff that I decided to throw in. First of all, I'm putting in my own course on customizing PLR. You're going to get that using free software to customize PLR. You're also going to get my my traffic multiplier training, which gives you a whole bunch of ways of driving traffic to your website. You're going to get 20 Instagram-ready videos with inspirational quotes that you can put onto Instagram. And you're going to get my training on how to use email effectively, including email titles. It's a really, really comprehensive training. I put the whole thing together for you. You're going to get everything included. 100% for free, $7 and change. I mean, basically for the price of a coffee and a donut, you're getting all of this included for free. Okay. The only thing I didn't like so much over here, right? This guide is very confusing. This guide contains excellent cutting edge tools. No, this is the guide. This is the actual training course that you're going to get. You're going to get in Word formats. You can edit it in Word. If you don't have Word, you can use Open Office to edit it for free. Just to go in Google Open Office, you can get that for free and edit the thing, put together your own cover for it. Okay, and in my training, I'm going to show you how to edit the thing and how easy it is to edit PLR content so that you can make it completely your own content that nobody else is going to be able to say that it's somebody else's. It'll look like your own. So that's basically everything here. There's not a whole lot to see in the members area. There's a couple of bonuses here, a cheat sheet, mind map, and other cool stuff like that. Okay, but the important stuff is this is the training guide. You also have the front end sales video. You have the pages. Everything is included for you, start to finish, with this package, and it's $7 and change. Okay, so let's see if I'm going to give a tip as a product creator or not.
You rock!
You rock. I love this course, and for $7, with all that I'm throwing in, how could you possibly go wrong? This is really a no-brainer of a purchase. $7. Get it, give it away, sell it, do whatever you want with it. But the bottom line is you can learn from it and also make money off of this. And for $7 and change, this is truly a no-brainer to go grab it. Get it while you can. It's really, really a good deal.